Hey there, I just wanted to record one quick video to give you directions on how to download the strategy sheet. This may not make sense to you at this time in the course because you're right at the beginning, but if you do sort of know how to play blackjack already and you just want to have a quick way to get going with basic strategy, I have a download for you that you can use. If you go on your computer inside the Udemy course here in the top right, there's a little kind of square with a download button on it. This is the resources area, and here you'll see a PDF that you can download. Let me just grab that here and open it up quick. Here we go. Now, this is not perfect basic strategy at all. The basic strategy depends exactly upon what type of table you're at and a lot of different variables, and there's a lot of different decisions, but it's very difficult and time consuming to memorize. So what this is a very simple strategy for you to memorize. It starts out with directions on items that you should always do. For example, always doubling on 11s with the exception of aces, always splitting 8s and aces, and so on. So these ones in bold at the top are good ones to definitely get in your head because they have the highest potential to make you some money. And then below that are the additional items. So I double on almost all 11s, but what do I do with other hands? And the other thing to remember is that the items below here are to come after the items above. So for example, it doesn't tell you whether to hit on an 11. It tells you whether to hit on 8 and below and 12 and above. Well, what do you do on 10s and 11s? Well, that's taken care of up here. So if you see an 11 but you're on an ace, then you're going to hit. You can kind of work those things out yourself. So just take a quick look at this one. This is the fastest way to get going with a better blackjack strategy, but to learn the entire process in detail, especially if you've never played blackjack before, you'll obviously want to continue with the course. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the rest of the course.